Let the young birds out for the first time. They're all over the place, as you can see. They're all over the neighborhood, all over the roof of the loft. This guy's trying out his wings. Check it. There's one out there over my father's house, coming around. See him? Is he landing on the wire? Oh my god. Come on, Nutsy. Okay, come on. Get down to the loft. You only get to do that once, and then I pull your neck. That guy landed on he's trying to land on a wire out there. This guy. Oh, he landed on Joe's roof. Okay. Yeah, I let 25 out. I got 13 on the loft. And the other 12 are all over the neighborhood. Yeah, they'll sit on somebody's roof until they get thirsty, then they'll come around, hopefully. Okay, that's it.